Hands in her feet. See?
Feet.
That's her socks. See her feet? See how little they are? Hands. Checking her out. So there's her hands and there's her feet.
Whatever you do, don't show her BE. Because of the, okay. Oh my gosh.
Okay, good hug. Good hug. You kiss her right here. It's slobbery.
Oh yeah. Take on.
Oh no. Say don't cry, baby. Okay. Don't touch her face like that, okay? Yeah.
No.
Nose.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sit.
Yeah, okay. Be gentle.
Yeah.
Yes, her ear.
Good
Yeah.